All clear.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna start representing.
Enjoy your ride on the Wrath of Rakshasa. Good luck.
I'm gonna hate this Okay, no, I actually really like that. I need to get on this next time. I'm gonna drag Keo on this. I'm gonna drag Keo. Hell no, he's gonna fly out. Actually, I don't think they're gonna let me on one. He's real small. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts.